Hi there, this is Christy, and in this video I want to talk about math worksheet templates that are done for you. And this software is coming out today. It's really cool. It actually creates these math worksheets with or without the answers. So if I'm going to click on 4.6, watch this. Look at that. And then you can actually download it like that. And then you can click on it and show the solution, update the worksheet. Look at that, it gives the answers. So cool. You can also add images to it, which is really cool too. You can just make this smaller. I mean, just an example of what you could add. Well, that's one I added. Let's see. There we go. Insert. Okay. And remember, every piece of software takes a little bit of a learning curve, so just be patient with yourself. This software comes with a lot of videos. And what I like too is right here, if you wanted to change it to like fewer rows, you could do that. Columns, update worksheet. Look at that. That's amazing. And I saw on the sales page an example where you could actually, make like their images are like blank. Where are they? Here we go. They're not colored, so you could actually do, take this out. You could actually do the worksheet at the top, and then they could, the children could color the bottom. I mean, these are cute. Little chicken. So you can make it smaller. So you could make all this smaller too. I mean, it's really cool. You can add your own. You can add a border. I don't really like that one, but let's see. But just to give you some examples of what you can do. I really like the idea of adding at the top and letting them color at the bottom. You could do a theme. You could do animals. You could do balloons. And just make it a little coloring sheet right here. You could also like add a page and do a page just with just for coloring in between, because you can download these as zip files and PDF. Well, it's not a zip. Yeah, it came out as a zip, but it'll download the PDF or a PowerPoint. And so you could do your math sheet and then come in here and add a page and do coloring. I like that idea even better. So this is awesome because, I mean, the math worksheets is crazy. I mean, I've never seen anything like this, except from these same guys, because they did a maze creator and a puzzle creator. So you're going to add a page, and then you can do this, and then again, if you want to, and then you would clone it. And I would play around with the software, because there's videos on how to do it with the answers and without. So you may have to make sure you're downloading the right ones, but I did these two just to check, and it came out right. This one, it has the answers. This one does not. So it really works. And you're like, well, how do you sell these? Look on Etsy, and we're going to just put in math worksheets, and yeah, subtraction worksheets. and you could offer those with the answers, which is awesome because kids want to check their answers. I always wanted to check mine. So yeah, and then there's another site you may or may not know about called Teachers Pay Teachers. And I'm a former teacher, and my daughter-in-law, who is still a teacher, told me about this. And you can sell things on here to other teachers. Kindergarten math worksheet. And remember, you can add images on your worksheets. And then Amazon. Everybody knows about Amazon. Let's look at Amazon math worksheets. Math workbook. There you go. $5.95. Look at that. That's really cool. And the other thing in this software is depending on which level that you buy, because there are different levels. They have clocks. Let's see. There it is. One of these has clocks. Let's see if you can search. There's that. Wow, so cool. You can show how many columns you want. Column spacing. Divider color. Oh, cool. So there's all kinds of things you can do. So there's, here we go, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, step multiplication, lattice multiplication, long division. All right, let's add a page. And you know, one of the biggest things is teaching children how to tell time. So I'm just going to do one. And once they know how to tell time, it is such a freeing thing. So you can make it really large, and they could also color it. And again, let's see, here's the solution. Let's see what comes up. Show solutions, show the answer. Show solution. Okay, so I guess it doesn't do it on the clocks, but there's the where you can put the answer right there. Huh. Very cool. Remember, you could do these as coloring sheets too. So you can add a page and do a whole sheet of clocks. Very cool. And then don't forget, you can add the images in there. It's all kinds of things you can do. Make it smaller. Okay, and then you can download it. PNG, JPEG, PDF, PowerPoint. Very cool. And offer it as a product. Now, if you get this through my link, I'm an affiliate for this product, and I will receive compensation if you buy through my link. You will also get these really cool bonuses. And it's such a cool software. You're going to see a lot of bonuses offered, but this is one. You get a 12-page food coloring book that you can sell as is. So PLR means that you can download this and upload it, and you can sell it wherever you like. Online, Amazon, Teachers Pay Teachers, Etsy, your own blog, wherever you like. So you get this food coloring book, and you'll get this weekly planner for kids. Isn't that cute? and you'll get this food coloring book. Is that the same one? Yeah, that's the same one. Okay. Okay. So you'll get the transportation coloring book. So you can download this and sell this. Coloring books are huge. Huge. You can sell. Let's look at coloring books on Etsy. Look at all the cute coloring books. Yeah. Very cute. So, you know, you can sell these as your own. So you get the transportation coloring book, the weekly planner for kids, the food coloring book, and the nature coloring book. Plus, when you make your math worksheets, you're going to want to share them on Pinterest because that's where people love. It's a lot of moms and dads on Pinterest. So what I did is I made a special bonus in Canva, and it's 10 animated pins that you can download and upload, and they're so cute because they move and they have music. Or you can just download them as JPEGs and use them as a static pen. But here's what these look like, and they're templates in Canva that you can change any way you like. Okay, so you will get those 5 bonuses. You will get these 10 Canva animated with music video pins. You get the nature coloring book. You get the transportation coloring book. You'll get the weekly planner for kids and the food coloring book. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 bonuses. Pretty cool, right? If you get this worksheets through my affiliate link, math worksheets software, which is really, really cool. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some ideas of how to make income online by selling coloring books, math worksheets. And I hope that helps you. I'll talk to you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Talk to you soon. Bye.